Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Yes. Okay. Oh. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Good. Today we will do more into activities. Now, raise your hand. How many of you did the yesterday assignment? Oh, it's better than the day before yesterday. Good. What happened to the persons who did not raise the hand? Huh? Any problem like you guys understand? See, please tell me the problems you are facing if you are like whatever the problems you faced when you are trying it. Let's see online people, right? They mentioned it. Okay, someone is trying to attend the class today only, so it will be kind of difficult, but it's not too much difficult. Okay, yesterday is my first day, but still I think yesterday I repeated all codes, right? Yeah, we did the basic one only yesterday also. You can see the previous classes, sir. Yeah, people who are starting, is there any offline today starting people? If anyone is starting today, you can check it the previous classes. You will get the previous classes links by admins, and there you can try it. Okay, so that they will you can see the previous videos and you can explore it. Now let's see what is the task. Create. Let me open it. I think where did I give this? Is this only database teachers? No. I think I closed it. Anyway, I will do it. Let's close it. Let's start again from starting, sir. Sir, MySQL is for the relational database management system. Relational database management system means all the database will be managed here using tables. We will have our databases in the table, sir. We will have tables, views, and all. Basically, your data is stored in the form of tabular format. Okay. Now let's open it. For that, we have two things. Either command line here, it is MySQL shell. We can have command line. If you go here, when you are installing MySQL, you will install with a password. Your MySQL will have a password, and that password you can enter it here. 1 2 3 4. Okay, I think it's locked. Why it's not working? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now, now here, if I wanna create a table first, if I wanna create a database, I started with create a database with the DB names or whatever the database name. Or if I want to show all the databases, show databases. Or if I want to use any database, use database, whatever I want to do. Or if you want to drop anyone, drop database name, HMS. Okay. Now here you are inside the HMS database. So let's go out. Use students drop HMS. I think drop database, right? Now here again show databases. Spelling mistake. It is dropped. The same way you can create a table also, but when you are creating a table, all you need to focus on every table will have fields. Fields means columns, the vertical ones. The columns or fields, you can give it different data types and you can give each field different constraints also, ma. Okay. First, we need to know basic commands. We need to know constraints. We need to know databases also. Okay. Those things we will discuss one more time and we will just see. I will just show you what is insert, update, those things which we discussed. Okay. Now, okay, someone is asking SQL update safe mode. If you go here, workbench. Sir, same like command prompt. Instead of doing it, some people don't like it in command prompt. You can write here workbench. If I go here, workbench, and it is provides a basic UI where you can write it easily. And here, sir, if you want to disable the safe mode, set SQL safe updates equals to false. Yeah, only one line, na? No worries. If it is multiple lines, then it will be a problem. Okay. This is a basic one. If you don't do this, update will not work because by default updates will be logged. Okay. Now, anyway, go with yesterday's task. Now I am opening into the students database, use students, and in this, create a table, sir. What is the table yesterday? Oh, employee. So let's create uh, new database, create database, employee management system, and then use EMS. And then let's use it, sir. Let's write it. Create table, table name. What is the table name, sir? Sir, can I write this query in SQL prompt, sir, in the place of bench? You can write it. Just now only I showed you, na. You can write it in there also. This will be something looking good, UI based one. That's why people prefer workbench. Okay. Create a table, table name, employee. Now what are the columns? Employee ID, int. Um, did I said it anything? Primary key? Did I said it? Is it a primary key? No. Okay, so no need. Then next, employee. An employee name can be varchar of 30. Salary. Let's have something name not null. Employee salary. Check. Oh, initially salary is null. No, right? No, so check it like the salary minimum 1,000 rupees. E salary greater than 1,000. So these constraints are, it's like the characters, minimum eligibility, right? When you are entering e-salary value, you should minimum enter 1,000 for a salary person. Okay, that is a basic criteria. Now next, alter. Sir, there is float tuple also, but we won't use it. We will use something called decimal for most of the cases. Okay. Any other thing I told? No. Sorry. Add a column means first we have to create this now. Yeah. Now it is created. Okay. If you want to keep something as primary key, you can keep it up. Okay. Because primary key is not there, I'm using this as unique. Okay. Clear, ma? Any doubts? No. Now let's go here. Now, sir, you can write it in the same line also, sir. But if I write it in the same line, I have to go like this. Okay. That's why I'm writing it in a different line. Until the semicolon is there, it won't take it. Okay. You can write it in the same line also. It doesn't matter here. Check is not in the same point. Data type is not given, sir. Next, alter table, alter table name. Oh, I didn't insert the values. Okay, I will insert it. Uh, what is the column name? Promotion. Promotion, and it is a varchar. Alter table employee. Add ఇచ్చాను కదా. Okay, add deleted. Okay, I thought I gave add. Okay, now here insert also. Insert, sorry, either small or capital, any one will go. Insert into table employee values, and here I will give values 1, Raj, here salary 20,000, comma, let me give it here in the new line. The only reason I am giving it down so that you can able to see those things. Okay, now here 2, comma, Suresh. I expect you to do it at home so that you can check it. Now just 1500. Now 3, comma, Jaya, which is 2000. 4, comma, Vani, which is 10,000. Semicolon. Huh? More than 50,000. 5,000, na? Hey, whatever, it works like that. I think I told 5,000, right? So that's why I'm adding this. You can try it also. Okay. If just a 1 0 difference. If I do it in this case, here I expect everyone's salary is like, if whoever salary is greater than 20,000, those people value should become promoted as yes. Those people value will become promoted as yes. By default, promoted will be no. Here in the promotion, default no. You put it promoted, not promoted, yes or no, your wish. Okay, it's up to your string. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts? Sir, one by one, sir. Creating a database, using the database, creating the table, and taking EID, name, e-salary, inserting the details, altering the table, adding the column, and making it the values default. No. Any doubts till now? I hope no, right? Now, next one. I want whose salary is greater than 5,000, their promoted value will become yes. So update. Are you understanding? Whatever we discussed yesterday, we are using it, ma. Okay. Update. Which update? Which table? Employee. And set. Very good. Setting is used to set the value. And which column value you are setting it? Promotion. And what is the value you are setting it? I am setting it as yes. It's up to you. Promoted, not promoted, or yes or no. Your wish. And where salary? E-salary. I think I named it as e-salary. It's up to you. E-salary greater than 5,000. And this is also up to you whether you keep it 5,000 or 50,000. Promotion means, sir, promotion is one column name. I am giving it. Okay. You got it, na? Any doubt, sir? I used alter to alter the table. That means adding a column. I used update to update the value. This is the difference. Alter is used for the table perspective. Update is used in the perspective of values, data. Now, updated the value. Okay. Now, not but not list. I think question is not over. In question, I told you, select the promoted people names. Not promoted. Oh, so e names are from table name. What is the table name? We will discuss in detail about where today. Don't worry. Where and select is actually we will do today. Okay. If anyone is lacking in whatever the concepts we yesterday also, you can practice it today. No worries. Now, where? Uh, not e-salary. E-salary only, na? Less than 5,000. Greater than 5,000 are promoted, na? You can check it with whoever the promotion one know. That is also fine. Okay, it's up to you. Okay. Why are we giving default? Okay. Sir, if we give default, by default, everything will be no, sir. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? Now, next one. Let's enter this. Let's create it. E-names from employee, where e-salary, e-names in the field list. Unknown column. We have e-name, e-names. See? E-name. That is the only mistake. Everything is created. Now the table is created. Let's refresh it. One EMS is created. In the table is created. Employee is created. Now if you see, by default, everything is no. By default, everything is no, sir. Okay. I will show it to you here. Use EMS and disk employee. See, by default, we have it. Okay. Into varchar, and here by default, everything is no. Okay. Default value is no. Usually, default name will be null, sir. Is it clear, ma? Only mistake I did is I tried to print the e names here. Okay, but actually column name is e name. Okay, so that's why it is error. So I will run only this line separately now. Okay, now, now I can keep it all in comments also if you want. Comments. I think you know this, right? If you do it, automatically it will become comment, sir. Sir, I want to write this statement of create table. Okay, I will show you update one more time. I want to write this create table, but I don't know whether the table existed or not. I want to know, I don't know whether table existed or not, so I'm creating it. Create table if not exist. You can write it something like this. When we come to the programming part, you will understand it in depth. What is if? But here it works it like this. If the table is not created, then this statement will make it the table created. If already table created, it will ignore that line. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, sir? So now let's make it sure. Select e name. Let's run it. And it just printed the e names. Okay. The names Suresh and Jaya are the people who are getting salary less than 5,000, sir. Is it clear? Any doubts? Is it clear, ma? Now, let's start it, sir. Now, you can also, some person already told, sir, select employee where the promotion equals to no. That also you can use. But when you are writing it, promotion equals to double quotation no, or double quotation or single quotation, because it's a string. Okay, that is the only difference, sir. Now, let's hide it. Now, let's start a new one. Now, yes, Sunny, but no double equals, only single equals, and a double quotation no. Now, let's discuss, sir. Yesterday, some people having the trouble with update. Understand update is used to update the values, and where we will use where also. Okay. And if you want to use updates, always you have to set SQL safe updates. SQL underscore safe updates equals to false. When you make this, only updates will become true, sir, so that you can make the updates. Okay, else you can't make that updates. Now, anyway, in case if anyone wants to refer, you can refer it the previous ones. Okay. Now let's take it here. Sir, all SQL commands were already in the notes, sir. I think I provided the notes is in the Google Drive. Yeah, it's Google Drive. You can down scan it. In that, all the things were there. Okay. Every day, whatever we discuss, those SQL files also today onwards, I will post it. Okay. Now, in this, there is one file called MySQL commands. In this MySQL commands, every command is there, sir. You can just check it and try it. Sir, I want theoretical questions also for that. I want theoretical explanation also. You can check MySQL database, sir. In that, each and every detail about MySQL is also there, sir. Okay, theoretically. Okay. Now, or I want complete documentation. There is one file named MySQL. You can check. Okay, this is the content what we are going to discuss. There is one thing called MySQL. Here you can check it. Everything will be there, sir. With the actual index, you can check it. Okay. Create statement and all. Whatever we are going to discuss in the futures, also the procedures or stored procedures or functions, views, indexes, those things are also all there. Okay. Anytime you can check it, these things, and if still not understand or when you try still getting the errors, you can always come back to me. Okay. Yeah. Now let's start it, sir. Now let me write it here. Now one more time, let me give you the drive link. Online people, I will give you the drive link. Offline people can down scan actually directly. Hmm, copy. Online people, I just shared the drive link in case if you not have it. Okay. Now let's start our today's journey. Where are we? Update, delete. Now select. Sir, today we will do select, update, select and where, sir? Let's check it here. Now focus here, ma. Already we know a basic. Select is used to select specific columns. Okay. Or all. Or all. It always uses. It always uses a parameter from. Without the from, select is useless. Okay. So the syntax is select asterisk or columns. Okay. Columns from the table name. Table name. So let's go and check it how it is working it here. Now if I go here, I can even try it here also. Now here use students show tables. You have two tables which is STD and TS and certificates. Again I'm saying it, ma. Sometimes I will prefer command line, sometimes I will prefer the workbench. There is no rule like you have to use that or this. Okay. It's up to the mood. I'm just changing it. Okay. If you want, I will fix it for one also. But the only problem is then the people will think it like only that why we are not learning this. But actually both are same. One will show only user face. One will show just black and white thing. We will bored if we do it everything in this command prompt only. So for user interface also when we want it, we will go with that. Okay. It's up to you, whatever you are preferring it. Okay. Now, when I want to go with multiple commands, bigger one, I will prefer workbench mostly. Or I want to use some interactions. I want to click it and directly see. I will go with that. Clear, ma? In reality, you won't use both. In reality, you will write it in one SQL file, which you will go to Python, and the Python file will run it. Okay. Now, anyway, we will do project also. At that time, you will understand it in depth. Now, here, desk stdnts. Let me see the table. It is having s name, s number, Karka. Percentage, I think. Okay. Then DOJ, date of joining and course. Okay. So now let's see the table, sir. Select asterisk from STD NTS. So I will get the whole details of the table, sir. Complete details. Previous recording links, you can see it, sir. Okay. Now, previous recording links, you can keep it up. Then next one, or select. Let's have S name, comma, percentage from students. Only those two columns will come as students, sir. Any doubts? Understand this thing. You are just seeing a part of the web. You are just seeing a part of the database. It will not alter the original table. Sir, I cut this from the data table. No, you are not cutting it. You are just seeing a piece. Query is just to work it like only for that particular command. But table is table only. It did not extracted from the table. I think you all understanding it, right? Now, if you see the table is exactly same. It will not get deleted. Now, from STD NTS. Okay. Any doubts? Now, let me do slowly and another one. Now, here, select course, comma, yes name from STD NTS. It is simple. Now, sir, I don't want course to be repetitive. Okay. Sir, auto increment, we will do it later. Auto increment is getting a problem. I will check it one more time. Now, how to give the values of dates? Explain once. Sir, dates you will give whenever you want to give the dates values, always remember. I think for some people are not understanding it. Dates are strings only in the format of YYY MMDD. If you remember when we did that, I gave it. Okay, clear, ma? Now, in future, we will do timestamp, which will automatically take the date and time of the present. Okay, we will do it in the projects. Don't worry. Now here, where are we? Now here, select course. Huh. Now I don't want course to be repetitive. Everyone focus here. I don't want course to be repetitive. In that case, what I will do? Select uh, course distinct course from course comma s name na s name from what is the table name stdnts. Select distinct course comma s name. Distinct means like individual items, ma. Okay, so if I write this statement now, why it came okay, because each one is individual only. Here it just take the combination of yes name and this. Instead, if I take it only course, then I will get, see, when you give it distinct course comma s name, what it will take course comma s name as one combination. Only the distinct combinations will be printed. Obviously everything is distinct combination only there, because there are no duplicate names in my code. Okay, so here see, when you write it distinct, it will print it only this thing, sir. Okay, now same way, select course from students stdnts. Sir, distinct means distinct value. That means individual values. If I have any third group, that also will come, but one group at a time. Okay. Is it clear, sir? Because you have to do in assignments. Now here all courses are coming now. All values. Now here I can give something called limit. Limit. Limit means how many values you want. How many values you want. If I give it 5, first 5 values will come. If I want 5, first 5 values will come. Only first 5 values came. Is it clear? If I give 5, sir, only first 5 values will come, sir. Instead, if I write it here, limit 2 comma 5. Understand this. If I give 2 comma 5, you know what it will happen? 2 means second element it will not print. After leaving it, third element onwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 elements it will print. When you give it one parameter, sir, if you write it here just to 2, only 2 elements will be printed. If you write just to 2, only 2 elements will be printed, sir. If you write it here 2 comma 5, that means from the third index, 5 elements it will print. Sir, is it clear, ma? Everyone, is it clear? One more time. When you are printing the value, sir, if you want last 5, you can do it like this. Okay. Now, here, now, let me print it in this. From 2, you can't see the differences here because all are arts only. I am trying it the same code. If you press arrow, automatically you will get the previous commands. You know, gaming arrow keys, up and down arrow keys. Now here, instead of course, I am using S name because my names are individual. I got ABE, ABF and all. So, and I am writing it, select asterisk from STD and TS so that you can compare. See, what is the first value? Raj, Baj, ABC. Now see, here when I write it here, 2 comma 5, it is taking it from ABE, why? ABE, ABF, ABG, ABGH, BAG. Why Baj is coming at last? Select S name, limit. Huh? No. Select SNO. Serial numbers are perfect. From STD NTS. Then limit 3. Why it is not started with 00? It is starting counting from the this one. It is started the first one as 122. Is it because the values were null? Maybe limit will started with that null. We'll check it once. Now, next one. Now, most important one, sir, where? Now, let me print it here, the whole table. Select asterisk from students. Now, let's go here, sir. Yeah. Now, everyone, I want the values. I want the values whose these values were actually not great. Like, I want the values whose serial number is greater than 123. Serial number is greater than 123. That we already know. Select everyone. Select asterisk from S name, then sorry, std and is sometimes it won't work. Now where, now SNO greater than 123. Sir, this is easy, sir. You have different logical operators, ma. Listen, last boys, focus here. You have different logical operators. Greater than, less than, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to. I think you know what is it mean by less than equals to. It will take it up the conditions which are equals to and less than both. If I give equals to, sir, it's not like in your programming languages, you don't need to put double equals. Single equals will work it as logical operator, and single equals will also work it as assignment here. When you are assigning, for example, SQL safe updates, you are assigning it as false, that is equals to only. But same thing when you are checking the conditions, true or false, is it matching or not? That also will have it single equals to only. 123. Now it will print the values which are exactly 123 only. Okay. Your command will run after semicolon only. Now, sir, what is not equals to? Usually in programming languages, we used to go with not equals to. Even Oracle will go with this, but here not equals to is less than, greater than symbol. Only not equals to is different. Not equals to is less than, greater than. Not equals to is less than and greater than symbol, sir. If I write it here, except 123, I will get it all other values. Semicolon. Yeah. Except 123, I will get all other values, sir. Now, any doubts? Any doubts, sir? Now, next, select. Sir, I want the peoples whose name, whose name is ABC, or whose name is ABC or ABE. ABC or ABE. Now, select asterisk from STD NTS where student name is equals to ABC, or do you know this thing? This is called logical OR. Okay. There are three things: logical OR, logical and logical NOT. Here, NOT is exclamation only, logical NOT. Okay. Not equals to is different, not is different. Okay. Now, here, logical OR, yes name equals to ABE. Any doubt, sir? Any doubts? Sir, it won't work like this. I don't think in your programming languages also it won't work like this, right? In JavaScript and Java it won't work. Python I don't know. Will it work it in Python if I give something query like this? A equals to 5 or 7? No, right? A equals to 5 or A equals to 7, right or not? Yeah. So this won't work, sir. Now, sir, there is an alternative for this. Sir, what if I want to check a person? Listen, I want to check a person whose name is ABC or ABE or ABF. Three people are there. Whether for ABE, okay, ABC, okay, ABF, okay. I want them to print. Okay. Three names are there. Sir, again writing it S name equals to ABC or S name equals to ABE or S name equals to ABF. Instead of doing this much, there is one concept called in your programming array. Do you know that? Same concept. Here, I will keep this all names like an array and I will use an operator called in. I will use an operator called in. So let's use it, sir. So print the details where s name in abc, comma abe, comma abf. What will happen only if one pipe? It won't take it, sir. One pipe, it won't understand it. Now, semicolon. This is called in operator, sir. So in operator will check it. Is it inside? Is it in the particular group of elements or not? In operator is used to check it. Is it in the particular group of elements or not? Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? After in, see s name. Understand the statement means whether the s name is in the ABC, ABE, ABF. Any one value is enough for it. Okay, so that it will print automatically those values. So next, usually in programming languages you will use in only most of the times, in or between. Why? Because you will have already a set of values, okay, somewhere else. So you will check it whether it matches to that value or not. Okay, like you are checking it, is your username is in the database, that particular one column or not. Someone gave email ID, is it in the user base email database email column or not? If it is in the email column, okay, that is valid. If it is not in the email column, then bad. Clear? Yeah. Now next, all the commands were also inside this one, sir. Let me show you to share. Let me show you where. Now it is a member, I don't know. Now so greater than, less than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, or equals to, or not equals to. Okay, now you can use, you can instead of using it logical or, you can even use something direct or also, or and, you can put something and also. Okay, see, s name equals to abc and snvo equals to 122. I want the value whose s name is abc and snvo 122. Only that people detail I will get it. Okay, sir, you can use and or double ampersand. Ampersand means that and symbol. Okay, you can put double ampersand or and, or you can put two pipes or you can write it something called not. Select not uh, snvo not 122. No, it's like not snvo equals to 122. So it means snvo equals to 22 wherever it fails. Okay, you can write it here, sir. I think you know not command. Not will take it one condition. Wherever the condition is fails, the not will actually will become true. Right? Sir, I think you all know this basic conditional things. In your programming languages, you all are from Python. So you all will know this basically. Okay, it is exactly same. Only the syntactical differences are there. That's it. Now, what is the differences between double pipe or? No difference. Double pipe or it's our choice. That's it. Okay. If you are programmatic kind of one, go with double pipe. Or if you are want to be something easy to understand, go with or. It's up to you, but both will be valid in this. Now, next, between operator. Next, between. What if I have a between range? Now, I want the people's salary. Employee table is there still. Employees. Huh. So let's check it. Employees here. Now, use EMS select asterisk from employee employee where employee database. What I can write, e salary, right? E salary. First, let's print all. Sir, I want salary in the range of 1,000 to 10,000. The people who are with the salary of 1,000 to 10,000 only I want to print. I want the people with 10,000 to 30,000. Some range is there between X to Y. That range, if someone give you, in that cases, you will use something called between operator, sir. What you will use? Between. Understand? People will always confuse between and in. Between means one range will be given. In means some set of values will be given. If I said it like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, is my salary is inside this any one of them? In. My salary is between 1,000 to 4,000, anything. 1,893 is also valid. In that cases, I will use something called between. Is it clear, sir? Yeah. Let's use between, sir. Now, bit select. Sorry. Asterisk from employee where uh, e salary between 1,000 to 10,000. Huh? Hey, it won't take it capital small. It won't go with the capitals or small. Between two perfect only. Employee e salary between is salary capital. No, I don't think salary. It's like till now I did not put anything capital, na? It came right. Let's try it. See, it's not about the e salary. If you give it capital small, it doesn't matter. I don't think so. E salary between huh? No, between goes with the range. Seriously? So go with the end then. Select asterisk from employee where e salary between 1,000 and 10,000. So interesting point is this, sir. It will also include 10,000. Okay. the ending points will be included. Okay, clear ma? Now let's note it down quick. Between values, see, between values are implicit. The ending value is implicit, the starting value is not implicit. Okay, now next one, next one, between is over, and in not like. What if select asterisk from employee? We will just discuss two things. Sir, syntax is so simple. Again, for between, whatever the query, where is there, column name between two values and, okay, between value 1 and value 2. Value 1 and value 2, sir. Now, next one. This one thing you need to remember it. Mostly we will use this only in our queries. Okay. The one which we will use most of the time is like operator. Is like operator. After that, we will do tasks. No worries. Now, sir, I want the people's name which are having letter U, which are having. Okay, now let me try it. The students table, HMS. No, use, what is the database name? Students. Now I'm going with the students details because their names all starts with one letter. So select asterisk from STD NTS. Now see, sir, everyone focus here. Now I want elements, the names which starts with AB. I want the names of the people who are starting with AB, and I want their branch. I want the people's branch and name who are starting with AB. Okay. Now let's write it, sir. Here, select S name, comma, course. I'm not putting asterisk because I want only S name and course. Okay, it's up to the requirement. From STD NTS, where student name like AB percentage. AB percentage. AB percentage. Sir, percentage means anything. Percentage means anything. After AB, it can have anything, any number of digits. Okay? It does not matter to me. Now here, semicolon, and after AB, whatever it is there, it will come. Any doubts? Or now tell me what it will print here if I write like this. What it will print if I write this statement? See? Tell me what will be the output like. I want to get the student names, course, for the people whose name can start with anything, can end with anything, but we must be there, not in middle, anywhere. If someone's name is AB, it will come. ABA, it will come. ABBB, it will come. It does not matter. B is there or not, only it will check. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? Now, now, now. Now see, DAG also came. because B is there. Percentage means this only, ma. Listen, percentage means any value. Even there is no value also, it does not matter. You can have number of values. If there is an element which is ending with B also will come. Ultimately, I want elements which contain B. Imagine, I have like students first name, last name, and surname something. First name and last name are there. I want the people whose first names are same, or whose middle names are same, or whose last name is something but I want whole but family in my particular code. Okay, in my database. You got my point? So then I will check only that. Okay, ending with but, percentage but close. I think internet issue. Online, can you hear me? Online, can you hear me? Yeah, yeah. I think now see again. What is the query, sir? Query is exact second digit only. How many digits you wanted? Put underscore. One underscore is one digit. Always remember. Percentage means any number of digits, anything. Underscore also something, whatever the value, it does not matter. But one digit. Sir, I wanted B to be third letter. Third, then underscore B. I want B to be fourth letter. Underscore B. Is it clear, sir? Or last before letter. Last before means B something percentage. Sorry, something percentage B and then underscore. Last before value must be B. Any doubts? So if you give underscore, it will take its only one element. Now, online screen is not visible. Huh? You are seeing in online? Who is that? Online screen is visible? Yeah, visible. That's good then. His voice is also okay. Like some people, it's breakable. I think okay. Now focus here, ma. Now it will print the names which are having it exactly the second letter as B. Now let's print it. See. So let's try all elements. Once I will print it every name and then asterisk from stdnts. I will print the names whose names are start second letter is A. So I will get answers Raj Baj. Okay, clear ma? So I will try it here. Student names. Here I will put asterisk student names. Here I will put here second letter has to be A percentage. Any doubts? Any doubts ma? एनर्जी लो हो गया. अरे 1 hour only हो गया अरे. This is not the same energy that it's like they think that everyone will shout and he's just continuing it. Anyway, let's try it now. Enter. See, the second name is starting with Rajpach. Sir, but for basic analysis, you can do it, sir. Anytime, last tip. Okay, for today's one, class is not over. We will do assignment, we will do tasks. But last tip, sir, when you are printing, but next time I will make you stand up, seriously. Okay. Now here, imagine I am printing the students' names. Okay. S name. What is the column name? S name. What is the column name? S name. You can name the column name whatever you want it. New names. This is called as. As means alias. Alias are like other names. Some fake names we are giving it. Aliases. So what it will do, sir? It will just when it is showing it, it will show you with the new names. That's it. Sir, will it change the column name in the main table? No. Understand? We are just writing query to see the data. We are not changing the original data. Never. Data is immutable always. You can change it using update. You change it using alter, but not by queries. These queries. Okay. Now, any doubts? Any doubts, sir? Now, sir, how do I practice it? Do I have to enter that much data, sir? No. I think most of you people know about GitHub. GitHub is free source for code, right? You all know coding now? Same coding. If you want to, sir, I want to get free data also, sir. Same like GitHub. Can I get it? Yes. GitHub is a site for codes. Same like for data sets also. We have a site which is called Kaggle. What is that? Data sets. Uh, which is Kaggle. Yeah, Kaggle only. Now go to this website, Kaggle. Kaggle, sir. It is one of the famous datasets library. Same like open source one, same like your GitHub. Here people will put so many datasets. You can download any one dataset and you can use it. Now let me download any one so that I will show you. Datasets, click here and let me try a nice dataset. Click here, education. I wanted to go with education category. Sir, why we are taking this dataset, sir? You will download someone's data and you will analyze it. The more you analyze, the you will understand data centric points. The reason you are studying it Python and this databases is for mostly for data analysis. And future is that ma. Understand it. Data analysts, why they are getting paid then developers, because you guys will give you exact point where the business can happen. Imagine I have a shop. And yesterday, it's like my shop is about some clothes. Imagine clothes of children clothes only I will sell. Now there is a requirement. Most of the people who are seeing my video are single moms or single dads. Imagine that. And I get this data. Okay. I randomly what I will get YouTube or somewhere whenever I advertisement, I will get bulk of data. Okay. And I will give you this data. And you know what I will do? You will do it like you will analyze that data and you will say tell to me your data mostly people are seeing your advertisements from morning 2 to afternoon 2 only, and most of the people who are seeing are between this and this age, and most of the people are seeing it in New York, or people are seeing it in some Vijayawada, or people are seeing it in some Hyderabad only, your website more. You will give these insights. Then what I will do, then I will pay to the advertising agency to put my advertisement in that particular places in that particular time and concentrating only that particular age groups, so that my revenue will increase. Right or not? See, imagine an academy ad is going into 80-year-old guy. It's useless. Right or not? So, whatever the ad that comes, it will have certain target audience. And you guys will find the exact audience for them by analyzing the data, what is happening in it. Okay? Now, you can, if you are going with machine learning, you will make the machines automated for that. Okay? Now, anyway, let me take it here. Any emotions, college placement data set. Okay. Sir, go with something less data. Okay. 324 KB. Okay. 42 KB nursery. Okay. Let's go here. Sir, when we do bigger project, I will take it from this only something bigger wala. For example, Apple data 124. Okay. For some data it will be MB. See, emotions. If someone wants to analyze the people's emotions, then it's like 16 MB data. That's somewhat big. When it comes to the data, MBs are big. 16 MB is like your picture only selfie, but still it's a big one. Okay. But here, let me analyze something called nursery. So I will go here and let me write it. Let me understand it. This is the hierarchical decision model, which data set derived first, present, something, something, something. Okay. No need to go with this. Data table attribution values. Here we are having it features for parents as nursery things or not. Children's, how many children they are having it. Housing details, financial details, convenient or not convenient, social details and health details. Okay. Go here and click on download and you will get one file downloaded and go extract all, extract here. See, I got one Excel file. Sir, actually files will be in two format, either complete Excel file .ix XSL or CSV. I think common comma format. You know that, right? Comma separated file. Now let's go here, open it. Now see here, I have total already they told this fields will be there. Okay. Only one table is there. No worries. Now in this total, how many rows are there? See, 12,961. Sir, can I enter this much data? You can enter directly. Workbench directly import the file actually. So what I can do is I will create this table using the same fields. Fields has to be same. Okay. Let's go here. Create database. Sir, this is for your practice. I'm saying it, ma. Anyway, in the main project, I will tell you, I will do one bigger one, but I want you to do it every day with that. Okay. A chota student table and you are doing it, your questions will be limited. When you have unlimited data, make it more. When you have more and more tables, it will be more good actually. Anyway, create database, demo, use demo, create table, uh, here it is having only one table, so no need of primary key and all the concepts. If you put auto incremented, it has to be primary key, but I don't put it because it will take it the data directly now. Now here table name. What is the table name? I can put anything here and nursery. Nursery is perfect. Nursery. Now this is important, ma. The columns name should match actually. Parents has nurse, farm, children. Parents care 5. Usual only, na? It's there. Is there any other value? Oh, varchar. Let's take it. Oh, let's decide this. One to varchar number. Convenient is a number. 1, 2, 3 maximum. Okay, so int. Then again varchar and varchar and Online people can see it, right? That is serious, Ray. One is fun. Two is okay. Three is bad. Okay. Now, next one has housing, finance, social. Housing, uh, finance, social. Just now. Here, varchar, not null. Varchar, health target. I think it's enough. Health and target. Right? Okay, someone asked a situation. In that case, you can put or, sir. S and E. Go with or. Sir, not null will not allow the null value. Okay, if something is empty, it will show you an error. Okay, as of I see the data, nothing is empty, so I'm just going with that. Okay, so that's why I'm confidently going with that. Oof, that's it. So let's create it. A nursery table is created now. Where is this? Refresh it. Now go to this nursery one. Where is this demo? Inside the demo, inside this, click on this. Sir, everyone focus here, sir. Now, here one symbol is there, na? You can click here. Why it is showing it this only? I can import it here also, right? It's just showing it export only. No, import the data. Form editor, no. Let me close this all. It is not showing it imports here. I can actually import it. Here only one symbol will come export import also. Why it is read only? Okay, do one thing, everyone. Just take it one nice database. Just download the data set. I will show you import tomorrow. Like I will check it exactly where did I did the wrong. Import has to come here in the import panel by default value. Then here, see, if it comes for you, just check it, ma. Here in the export is there, na. If for example, at least let's try it to enter some details here. Insert a basic details. I will enter something. Yes, comma, yes, comma, at least form, yes, comma, children to, comma, children 1 2 3 4 5. Hmm. इथे MySQL the problem. Insert into table name nursery. In PostgreSQL, you can directly enter. Will the import option comes now? No. Okay. We'll check it. Directly also you can try it, ma. That one, at least in the server, it's there. Data import, just a minute. Data import from disk. No. Okay, I will show you tomorrow, sir, how to import that one into the table automatically. You can actually with one file only you can check it. Okay. We will start with that only. We will take someone's data and then we'll analyze with some new queries. Okay. Now, tomorrow's work, everyone, everyone focus here. Take it any one data set. Take it any one data set. Make it right. At least 5 queries of your own. Okay. You only don't take it easy one. Make it difficult. Okay. You will get questions now, sir. How to get this data? How to get that data? First, take the data, analyze it. For example, if this is my data, I wanted to get all the people who are recommended. Okay, whose health is recommended for that, or who are having more than 2 children or 3 children, or who are completed the form. Okay, and who are not completed the form but recommended, so that I can target those people. You got my point? Like this, if you analyze, you will get so many points, ma. If you can think like that, it will help you for your data science career. Okay. Yeah, that's it for it today, and I will update the notes. Thank you. Yeah. 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 Sir, if you want to get this data set, go to Kaggle and you can download it. Any particular one. Kaggle datasets. Create an account in Kaggle and you can get it. So limit limit means only number of values I want. Huh? This is not necessary to have a full data in a table. Is it necessary to? अगर टेबल है पूरा डेटा हमें कुछ नहीं है ना तो फर्स्ट प्रिंट एक्चुअली होता है और फिर रिकॉर्ड एक्चुअली प्लान है हाँ ठीक है अगर हम लिमिट यूज कर रहे हैं तो ब्लड रिकॉर्ड्स क्यों दिखा रहा था हाँ वही से प्रॉब्लम आपको भी वो गलत है मैं एक बार देखूंगी लिमिट आई थॉट इट लाइक इट विल शो ओनली फर्स्ट फोर but it is emitting the null. I will tell you the exact one. If it is emitting, sir, I want to see the first five without the null also. I will tell you. Yeah, I understand. हो सकते हैं. I will tell you. I will check with you. I will show. I understand it. I understand your question. So just because it is null, we should not emit the record. SQLite and Postgres are syntax or same or different? SQLite and Postgres syntax are different or same one? All will use SQL only, but it's like their kind of usage is different. Syntax is different, but both all are uses similar.